Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Pinnacle in Montego Bay and we're giving you an update. This development is now at 24 floors and this tower we're looking at is a swallow field. It's going to be 28 floors. So definitely by the end of the year this tower will max out at 28 floors, making it the tallest building in not only Jamaica. It's already the tallest building in Jamaica at 24 floors, but the tallest building in the English-speaking Caribbean. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. And one thing I must say that's very impressive about this development is the units are practically sold out. As of today, there are 65% of the units are sold out. And the developers announced that by early next year, all the units should be sold out. The Pinnacle, Montego Bay, stands as one of the most ambitious and transformative real estate developments ever undertaken in Jamaica. Rising on the scenic Redding Peninsula overlooking the Caribbean Sea, this US $450 million project is envisioned as a symbol of Jamaica's new era of modern, world-class luxury. The development features four 28-story towers, the Swallowtail, Canary, Hummingbird, and Phoenix, each designed for a specific purpose. The first three towers will offer branded residences ranging from one-bedroom apartments to expansive five-bedroom penthouses, while the fourth, the Phoenix, will operate as a luxury hotel under the globally renowned Accor Ennismore brand. This partnership marks a historic milestone introducing Jamaica to a new category of internationally managed branded residences. Such an arrangement ensures residents and investors benefit from high-quality services, security and management comparable to those found in major luxury markets like Miami and Dubai. Located on its own peninsula, the Pinnacle boasts panoramic views of Montego Bay, the lagoon, and the open Caribbean Sea. A hallmark of the Pinnacle is its comprehensive lifestyle offerings. Beyond its residences, the development will include a 15-slip private marina, a wellness-focused spa and fitness center, multiple pools, tennis and pickleball courts, and the Mangrove Club, an exclusive members-only club offering fine dining, social spaces, and private leisure areas. Additionally, a nearby commercial center will feature boutique retail, a supermarket, and essential services, making the Pinnacle a self-contained community where residents can live, work, and relax without leaving the property. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.